Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking to expand your home gym, then I have a really awesome piece of fitness equipment here. This is a power tower or pull-up station, and this is from BangTong and Lee, and it is awesome. So a lot of really great features about this. For one, it was super easy to put together. It took no time at all. Also, it is adjustable, so no matter what height you are, you can adjust this to work for you. So you have the spot for doing pull-ups here. You can do leg raises, you can do dips here, and then you can also use the bottom part for doing push-ups. So tons of different options, and overall it has been really fun to use and to work out with. So it is really sturdy, and I also love that on the pull-up bar itself there is a nice grip on the middle part. It's kind of soft and squishy, so it's really easy to hold onto and it's really comfortable to use. These pads are also really comfortable, so they give you a really comfortable workout. So if you're looking for a piece of fitness equipment that gives you a lot of variety, is super fun to use, very versatile, and really sturdy and durable, then I would definitely check out this from BangTong and Lee. It's really great, I love it, and that's my point of view.